Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to downgrade your version of Windows from professional to home. So normally if you want to go from home to professional, all you need to do is put in your professional license key and then you will be upgraded, and that's all there is to it. But if you want to go the other way from professional down to home, normally you need to do a complete reinstall, but there is a trick you could do to actually downgrade from pro to home and then keep everything intact. So that's what we're going to do in this video. All right, so you can see we have Windows 11 Pro 23H2 on this computer. So the first thing we're going to do is open up PowerShell as administrator. Okay, then we're going to copy and paste this command here, the key point being Windows 11 Home. If you're on Windows 10, you need to change that to Windows 10. So copy, right-click to paste, press Enter. Okay, and then you won't see anything, so that's done. All right, so now what we need to do is have a Windows ISO file loaded, so you could have it in your DVD drive if you still have one of those, or as a flash drive, or somewhere extracted onto your computer so you could access the setup files. So I have this here, so I could right click on it, open to see the setup, or you could just double click on it as well to run the setup. Either one will work. So now it's going to go through the typical installation here. I'm going to skip the updates for now for the sake of time, but you probably want to do the updates. Okay, accept the agreement. Okay, so as you can see here, it says install Windows 11 Home, and we're going to keep the personal files and apps. So we're going to click on install here. All right, so this is going to take a while and it's going to restart a few times. So I will pause the video and then come back when it's done and we'll see if it worked. Okay, so the first part of the installation is done, so now we're doing some updates. Okay, so we're back at the login prompt. We have all of our accounts here that we had before, so let's try logging in. All right, so now it's going to be doing the user profile setup like it does for a new user account, even though it's not a new user account. So we'll pause for this as well. Okay, so we're back on our Windows desktop. Let's see what we have here. Go to System and About. Okay, so the computer name is still Windows 11 Pro, so that'll have to be changed. But you can see that the edition is now Windows 11 Home. Let's go make sure we have all our files there. Yep, so documents are still there, pictures and so on. So it looks like it worked. Let's do one more thing here. All right, so when you go to the activation, you might need to reactivate it with your home key. So just be aware of that when you do this process. Okay, so if you want to do this, I also suggest doing a backup first, just in case something goes wrong. And I will put the text in the description that you'll need to use for the PowerShell command, and then you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.